Camping trips are all about relaxation and enjoying nature. For those with discomfort, finding the best camping chair for bad back is essential. Comfort, support, and durability make all the difference on long outdoor adventures. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Camping Chair for Bad Back. The GCI Outdoor Camping Chair for Bad Back is an excellent choice for anyone seeking both comfort and portability on outdoor adventures. Designed with a low-profile kickback rocker, this chair allows users to relax by the campfire, at sporting events, or during backyard gatherings without sacrificing back support. Its ergonomic design provides substantial lumbar support, making it ideal for people with sensitive or weak backs. The chair's built-in beverage holder and secure phone pocket add a practical touch, allowing users to enjoy drinks or keep essentials close at hand without leaving the seat. One of the standout features is the patented spring-action rocking technology, which incorporates shock absorbers for smooth rocking on virtually any terrain, whether flat, soft, or uneven. The steel frame ensures long-lasting durability while supporting up to 250 pounds, and the breathable mesh backing improves airflow to keep you cool during extended use. Setup is straightforward. Simply unfold the backrest and armrests, and the chair is ready for immediate use. When it's time to pack up, the chair folds efficiently and comes with a carry strap, making transportation effortless. Measuring 27.2 inches in depth, 32.5 inches in width, and 31.7 inches in height, with a seat height of 15.9 inches, it accommodates a wide range of users comfortably. Weighing just over 10 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, striking a perfect balance between portability and stability. Number 2. Timber Ridge Camping Chair for Bad Back. The Timber Ridge Camping Chair for Bad Back is a remarkable folding chair that combines strength, comfort, and portability, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum X-frame, it can support up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for a wide variety of users. Its 25.25-inch wide seat offers ample space, allowing you to sit comfortably without feeling constrained, which is particularly beneficial for those with back issues. The chair also includes padded fabric and firm armrests, enhancing the overall sitting experience by providing additional support where it's needed most. One of the most convenient features of the Timber Ridge chair is its integrated side table, which keeps drinks, snacks, and personal items within easy reach while freeing up your hands for other activities. Despite its heavy-duty design, the chair remains surprisingly lightweight at just 7.28 pounds and comes with a carry strap for effortless portability, making it easy to bring along on camping trips, beach outings, sporting events, or picnics. Its folding design allows quick setup and packing, saving time and energy during outdoor adventures. The durable aluminum frame ensures longevity and stability, while the thoughtfully designed seating area supports proper posture, helping reduce back strain during extended use. Timber Ridge also backs this chair with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, reflecting confidence in its quality and providing peace of mind for buyers. Whether used for camping, tailgating, or backyard relaxation, this chair combines practicality, comfort, and robust construction, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and supportive camping chair for bad backs. Number 3. Overmont Camping Chair for Bad Back. The Overmont Camping Chair for Bad Back is designed to deliver unparalleled comfort, versatility, and support for extended outdoor seating. One of its most noteworthy features is the 26-inch high adjustable back, which allows users to set the chair to the most comfortable angle, whether sitting upright or leaning back. This smooth, continuous adjustment ensures the chair adapts perfectly to individual posture preferences, reducing strain on the back during long hours of use. The chair's robust frame, made from high-strength steel, supports up to 450 pounds, providing a durable foundation for users of varying body types. Its 600D high-density polyester fabric is both durable and breathable, allowing for extended comfort without compromising airflow. In addition to its supportive structure, the Overmont chair includes a large cup holder and 2 mesh side pockets for convenient storage of drinks, snacks, and personal items, keeping essentials close at hand. Weighing only 13.89 pounds and folding compactly to 7.87 by 7.87 by 40 inches is highly portable and ideal for camping, picnics, sporting events, and beach trips. Beyond functionality, the chair's oversized design ensures ample space for comfort, and the adjustable back helps maintain proper spinal alignment, reducing discomfort for those with back problems. Its combination of stability, portability, and ergonomic design makes it a top choice for anyone seeking a reliable, comfortable, and versatile outdoor chair. Number 4. S-Portal Camping Chair for Bad Back. The S-Portal Camping Chair for Bad Back stands out for its focus on ergonomic support and overall comfort, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts with back concerns. This chair features adjustable lumbar support that contours to the natural curvature of your spine, which can be customized via side straps to provide maximum comfort during prolonged sitting. Its 26-inch high back ensures that both shoulders and the upper back receive adequate support, allowing users to stay comfortable even after hours of use. The chair also includes hard armrests and a higher seat height, making it easier to sit down and stand up, reducing strain on the lower back and knees. With a robust 400-pound load capacity and 23-inch wide seating area, the chair accommodates a wide range of users, while its thick-walled steel frame and high-density polyester fabric ensure durability and long-term use. The S-Portal chair is fully foldable and compact, featuring a carry bag with a shoulder strap for effortless transport, whether heading to a camping site, sports game, or backyard gathering. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction allows it to remain portable without sacrificing stability or comfort. The combination of ergonomic lumbar support, high backrest, and durable materials makes this chair an excellent solution for anyone seeking relief from back discomfort while enjoying the outdoors. Number 5. Fair Wind Camping Chair for Bad Back. The Fair Wind Camping Chair for Bad Back is engineered for maximum support, durability, and outdoor convenience, making it an excellent choice for those who need extra care for their spine. Its high-tensile steel frame, with 22mm tube construction and 4 cross-bracing hubs provides enhanced stability, ensuring the chair maintains structural integrity even during heavy use. The chair is designed with an oversized folding seat, measuring 39.37 by 24.41 by 25.2 inches, offering ample legroom and relaxed sitting posture, which is especially beneficial for people with back issues. Integrated adjustable lumbar support allows users to fine-tune the backrest position to align with the natural spine curve, providing a comfortable seating experience for extended periods. The chair also features fully padded 4-layer 600D ripstop polyester fabric, creating a cushioned and breathable surface that enhances overall comfort. Its storage capabilities are equally impressive, with a large insulated drink holder, side pocket, and cooler section, making it practical for camping trips, picnics, or backyard gatherings. Designed for convenience, the Fair Wind chair folds quickly for storage or transport, combining portability with a robust structure capable of supporting heavier weights. Its thoughtful construction prioritizes both support and ease of use, ensuring that users experience reduced pressure on the lower back while enjoying outdoor activities. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.